phony. She's fake. That's the type of people I hate.
I'm Cassandra.
I'm Breeze. Was good. Now I mean, like, yo, this is our show for tonight. We're gonna be talking about sex and love.
Love
you
and
know what I mean?
sex.
Just call us for advice, yo. Matter of fact, the phone ringing right now. Cassie, would you answer?
Hi, yeah, I'm calling for a little advice if you guys could help me.
Now, first, what's your name?
Gina,
Where you from?
New York.
New
Alright.
York.
You already know.
Yeah, so I'm calling. I have a question, yo.
Go ahead.
Alright, so my boyfriend, right?
Mhm.
I think he's cheating on me because some girl called his phone and when I answered, she hung up. What do you think I should do?
Oh, wow. Okay. I think that you should call back your man again just to make sure, you know, it wasn't your man's girlfriend, your man's
Friend, you mean?
friend or something, you know.
No, from my point of view, I mean, you should just talk to your man at first and probably ask him who it was, and probably answer. I mean, probably was a fake call, and I don't want you, I mean, like to.
No. I think that you shouldn't do that. You should approach the situation viciously and make sure you get the man.
Just go in.
You should
Go
talk,
in,
You should
you know?
talk to your man first. That's what I think.
You should do that. What do you think?
I think she should
Alright.
talk to her man.
Do you like this man? Are you like
I
in love with him?
I love him.
How long y'all been
Okay.
going out for? Like
3 years.
3 years. All right, man.
Okay.
Y'all should be able to communicate.
Yeah. You should
Yo,
have
let me ask the DJ
communication.
what you think. Like, yo, DJ, yo, what you think, man?
What do you think, man?
Lose them.
I mean,
Okay,
that's
he
the
said
cheating noise.
cheated,
Well, we have another
never
call in
know.
progress.
but okay.
Know what I mean? So, answer, Cassie, answer.
Oh.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, who this?
How y'all doing tonight?
All right,
We
chilling.
fine.
Well, I'm calling from Georgia.
Oh, what they do? What they do,
Georgia?
Shawty?
Yeah.
Shawty, what's your name here?
Shanishwa.
Oh, what's good,
Okay,
Shawty?
it's
Shrew?
good.
All right, so let me tell you, right? So the other night we went to this party, and then I walked in on my boyfriend having sex with my cousin.
Oh.
That's a tough one right there.
No, first thing, you need to talk to your cousin and make
No,
sure stay with
no.
your man. And
No.
second,
You don't have
you
a
need to
man
go-
anymore. You don't have a man anymore.
Yeah, but I understand. But,
uh-uh.
at the same time, I did the same thing to her though.
Oh, revenge is a bitch. Revenge is a bitch. It is a bitch. You know, I mean, you and your man, y'all should stop talking. But y'all, you know what I mean? You
Well,
and
why
your
I
cousin.
stop talking to him though? I mean, we was together first.
I mean, if he really loves you, he wouldn't fuck with your cousin. Your cousin, she loved you, but she just trying to get back at you. So, I mean,
Yeah,
payback is a bitch. So
that's
you
true.
and your man, y'all through. And I think you and your cousin should get back. You know what I mean? It should.
Yeah, because, you know, blood is thicker than water.
Yeah.
And you need your cousin more
Yeah,
than
you know what I
your
mean?
man. So, let's get him. Next caller.
All right,
Thank you.
all right. We're about to have a next call. Now, I mean, remember. Oh, Cassie, you answer the phone, yo.
Yo,
Yo,
What's
what it do?
good?
What it do? Where you from?
it's Sean,
Where you from, Sean?
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. All right.
The call on this, the call Puerto Rico in the house, boys. Oh!
Okay.
All right, what it do,
okay.
Sean? What it do? What it do?
Yo. I got some problems, man.
What happened? What happened? Talk to me,
Good,
boy.
man.
Yo, I found my girlfriend. Yo, she burned me the other day.
Wow, son.
She took
Okay.
a current iron and she burned my legs, son. Yo.
Oh, I thought you got burned the
what?
other
What
way
did you
around,
do?
man. I thought you got burned the other way, man.
Nah,
Damn.
I just got some other girl pregnant.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
You can't fuck with them
okay.
booty crop bitches, man. They
It is.
crazy, man. They crazy.
But the bad part is, it's her sister. She's pregnant.
Oh, man.
Son.
You a pimp, son. I give you that. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
that's
I give you
bad.
that. You know what I
Do
mean?
you love this girl? Do you love this girl?
Nah, she'll jump off.
Shit,
All right,
man.
then.
But she become wifey.
Yo, but let me ask you a question,
She
man.
could possibly.
Let me ask you a question, Cassie. Are you gonna take care of that child?
Fuck that child, man.
That's what I'm talking about. That's my boy.
You need to take care, because, you know, the black community is on the fall, downfall. We need to uplift.
Cassandra,
our
the
black-
man told you he's in Puerto Rico. We don't give a fuck.
That's
I
true.
just want to take that bitch down like the stairs, alright?
I apologize. We cannot talk about this in the radio. All right.
Next
So-
caller. Next caller. Next caller.
Hello?
Hello.
This is Cammy.
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 From Louisiana.
All right,
Oh, okay.
We're in Louisiana. Is you from
I'm
New
thinking about
Orleans?
getting a sex change.
What happened?
Okay.
I'm thinking about getting a sex change.
Mm-hmm.
Currently, my name is really Taekwon.
Alright.
Taekwon.
So did you go through some procedures right now? That's not funny.
Get estrogen, and I really want to get a vagina. I want to cut off my penis.
Are you okay? Oh.
Taekwon, we're not laughing at you. You know what I mean? It's just.
It's just a situation.
I think y'all shouldn't laugh at me because there's a lot of transgender people out there, and then I gotta represent, son. I gotta represent.
Yeah.
That's
Fuck y'all. I don't want
Yeah,
fuck
okay,
y'all. Fuck
okay.
y'all.
that's some crazy
Anyways.
shit. That's some crazy shit.
You know what? Fuck y'all. I don't need y'all anyways. I can get somebody else.
All right, we got another call.
The
We got
next call
another
is
call.
for I think we have Shanishwa again. Hello.
Oh my God.
What happened now,
Oh
Shaniqua?
God. He told me he's gonna leave me.
Is this a different man?
No, it's my boyfriend.
Oh, okay.
I got an idea. Have sex with him. He won't leave you. Just give him the best head in the world.
I can't.
What happened?
Because I got BD.
Ooh, wow.
Shanishwa, we're gonna have to call you back. All right, this show's ending
yeah.
right now. All right, bye.